Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese Kunafa. First, take 500 grams of Kunafa dough and shred it into small pieces. Melt 200 grams of unsalted butter until it's liquid. Pour the melted butter over the shredded dough and mix it well, ensuring every strand is coated. Then, press exactly half of this buttered dough firmly into the bottom of a 10-inch round baking pan, creating an even base. Next, let's prepare the delicious cheese filling. You'll need 400 grams of a sweet cheese, such as Nabalsi or Akawi. It's important to soak the cheese in water for several hours, changing the water multiple times to remove any excess salt. Once desalted, drain it well and shred it into small, manageable pieces. Finally, gently mix the shredded cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now it's time to assemble our kunafa. Carefully spread the prepared cheese mixture evenly over the pressed dough base in your pan. Make sure it forms a consistent layer. Then, take the remaining half of your buttered kunafa dough and gently spread it over the cheese, covering it completely. Bake this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until it achieves a lovely golden brown color. While your kunafa bakes, prepare a simple syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, then add a small squeeze of lemon juice. Once the kunafa is out of the oven and still hot, immediately pour the warm syrup evenly over it. Garnish generously with chopped pistachios and serve this delightful dessert right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.